Here we are at our 2016 AmeraTrail aluminum trailer for sale. We're here near the Norris Lake area. This is a used trailer. We've got 2022 tires on it. This previously had a 2016 Hurricane 2400 sport deck on it. That's why you've got that Hurricane branding logo on this, but it is a aluminum trailer. We've got 2022 tires, Goodyear tires. These are Goodyear Endurance load range D tires. We've got dual disc brakes. You got a 5-bolt lug pattern. We've got the trailer guidepost. Bunks are in good shape. Actually, I believe I was told the bearings were redone. Now, do want to point out this trailer has obvious signs of being in salt water. Now, we are selling just the trailer here, not the boat. But these axles are looking a little bit rusted up. So just keep in mind, this might be something, depending on what your needs for the trailer are. This might be something down the road you are going to put a set of axles on, but we do have some pretty heavy rust. Back in here behind our tires, the brakes were, I believe, were redone recently. Let me get that camera angle in there. And like I said, just want to show you the rust on these axles here. Otherwise, the trailer itself is all aluminum. So the trailer itself is in good shape. Do have a spare tire mount right here. You're going to have some adjustment on this bow stop here. So again, this previously had about a 4,000-pound, 24-foot boat. See how this this bow stop right here has got room to go back. So it's probably going to give you about 2 feet there. So this is probably going to be able to handle about a 24-footer down to easily about a 22-footer just by moving that bow stop. We did verify our trailer light connections were all good. We had working lights on our 2 side marker lights, as well as our back lights up, our rear lights for braking, your turn signals, and again, those guideposts are on there. So we will have this one available for sale over our website as usual. YouTube video tours just to kind of supplement our web listings. So do click over there at yournewboat.com and scroll down until you get to this one. Again, it's the 2016 AmeraTrail aluminum tandem axle trailer with dual disc brakes. And obviously this would be a perfect fit for a Hurricane 2400 SD. Be a perfect fit for a Hurricane, but you are going to have plenty of adjustment there. It's going to be able to accommodate most vehicles in that 22 to 24 foot range. If you already need a trailer, feel free to give us a shout about this one. And do reach out to us over at the website for any questions. We got a 2-inch trailer ball hookup. Going to have a 5-flat trailer connection. We've got a 7-pin adapter on here right now. Tow straps are in good shape. This looks like a newer jack stand, and your winch strap. We've got some rust on the winch hardware, but the winch strap itself all looks to be in good shape as well. So that'll do it for this one. Again, 2016 AmeraTrail tandem axle aluminum trailer with dual disc brakes, guidepost, and a spare tire mount. Thanks.